All right, guys, so we're talking about something that, well, it's hard to see from right here, but it really protects your rig when you start running bigger wheels and tires, long travel suspension, portals, really start getting aggressive with what you're going to be doing on this rig. This is a great way to protect it. I really just call it not only just a chassis stiffener, a frame stiffener, but it acts as a great skid plate too. So check it out underneath. Our front frame stiffener not only comes up and reinforces your lower suspension mounts, those take a ton of the brunt of impacts on the trail. So if you're bahing down the trail and just come across a hidden rock, stump, ravine, hole, something that you didn't see and just smash that through the trail, then these lower suspension tabs take a lot of that brunt impact force. So what we do with this, we have a solid steel plate that ties them all in together, gives it some reinforcement, and really adds a lot of stiffness to this front suspension. So no matter what you're running, portals, long travel, forward control arms, bigger wheels and tires, even stock suspension. I mean, this adds just an extra level of protection for your ride and saves you some costly frame repairs down the road. So check this out, the Thumper Fab frame stiffener, now available for your HD11 and also for the rear too. So be sure and go check that one out.